Weekly review, weekly lenses again. This will be a short video because I already told or said in the previous weekly lenses video that I wasn't gonna trade the entire previous week, because we have WEF meetings literally every day that entire week, and my rules tell me if we have meetings for like all currencies all day, or for USD only all day, like that could also be, I've never seen before, but could also be, then I'm not trading a day. And you can see we had meetings on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday also. So I wasn't trading the entire week. I've never really had that before, that I wasn't going to trade an entire week, but yeah, previous week it was that case. But yeah, don't really have anything to say about this. I have looked at the charts a bit. I was gonna say I was gonna paper trade as well, but I didn't even remember what I was doing all the time. But I wasn't even on the charts. Wasn't even at my PC. Or was I? I don't even know. But I wasn't even to paper trading, so didn't even look at the charts, which is yeah, of course after backtesting, which I do look at the charts every single day, of course, but not at live charts. Looking at the previous week, just that candle, I don't think I really missed that much. I did watch some of the price action, like after it happened, just seeing like what the daily candle did, and really I didn't miss anything. Like I checked if there was like at the end of the day if there was like an entry or something, but no. I think on one day it was. I think it was on Thursday where it was. I would be bullish there, and it could have been a W there, but yeah, my rules don't allow me to trade there. Not that I miss a trade, like not that I could have made money in that day. No, definitely not. Like I'm totally fine with not trading the entire week if my rules tell me that. Like I don't really see it happening often. I've looked from data, and I think from like 5 years of data, I think it only happened once. So now in the live markets, it happened once as well. So yeah, it doesn't really happen so often. But yeah, don't really have nothing else to say about it. I didn't take any trades, obviously. I can show just to be just to prove it. So previous week, yeah, no trading the entire week, and then now this upcoming week, starting with the analysis for the upcoming week. I really don't know what drawn liquidity is, what the bias is. I did check in the Discord already, and I saw that someone shared it in the Discord. I don't remember exactly who, but we had a huge drop, like Monday candle opening. We had a huge drop lower, and I don't know why, but look at this. It's like that. This is literally the entire week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Or no, this is, yeah, Monday. Monday was bank holiday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. And then this first monthly candle, the Monday candle, the New York session didn't even open. You can see this is my time. New York session opens in 24 minutes, and it didn't even open New York session, and this already traded through the entire previous week, which is actually crazy. But yeah, looking at my drawn liquidity, what is going to be my bias? Let's see. So starting from the weekly, are we bullish? Are we bearish? We're still bullish. So already could mark out this as like the low-hanging fruit, which is then the drawn liquidity. But intraday could show me, oh, I'm actually bearish. But first, top-down analysis, weekly it's bullish. Buy side liquidity up here, which all-time highs. Oh, buy side up here, and then buy side up here. All right, and looking at this, we didn't close below this yet, so it's still going to be looking for longs, I think, which I really don't like. I already checked at the economic calendar as well, but wow, I think this is actually going to be bullish for me. So busy here, like I always mark out the singular busies, and yeah, it doesn't have to be singular still, or for me it has to be, but if you want to look at this, like for me, it still could be that this daily candle is going to get respected. I really don't think it's going to get respected. I think it does want to go lower, but I have to look for bullish price because we still have that gap. Like I can only look for shorts if we close below, and yeah, I don't have to be right or correct on the entire daily candle for today, Monday. Like I don't have to be catching the entire day move for like being a short. Like I would say in this case, probability would be lower or higher, but I really look at objective rules. I really like objective rules, and in this case, it's just like, okay, I think we're bearish, and yeah, I would say that that is the case here. But I've seen from data, I keep on seeing that again and again, like it goes against what I'm actually thinking. And I keep having that thoughts of like, oh wait, I'm actually going against a trend, and still it does end up playing out nice. That, like, let's say in this case, I think we're going lower, but in the backtesting I'm looking for longs, and then long setup forms, and then it's a W, like it again and again. But I still keep on. I don't know why that is the case. Like I really don't know why that is the case. Maybe I'll find out eventually, but I'm really not sure now. But yeah, looking on NQ, like NQ does like look like it wants to go lower. Bigger time frame is bullish from the weekly there. We're always top-down analysis. Weekly is bullish, okay. This next weekly candle should expand higher. Looking at all-time highs, we have equalize here as well on ES then, and it does look, yeah, that same busy from that singular or that fractal leg here, swing high to swing low. That singular busy on NQ is the 2-day busy here, and that singular busy here on ES is that's 3-day busy here. So already from looking at this, I can already think of like a situation, or like I can come up with a scenario which I think it will be, okay, NQ looks more bearish obviously, so maybe NQ wants to go take out the low, maybe even take out some more liquidity. I don't know if it wants to go way lower. I do know from ES that we have still all of these lows here as well, which are really, really clean. But I'm just looking for the Monday now. Like the weekly, okay, I still think it's going to go higher, but just for now this Monday, because I'm trading the Monday, I think it still could go higher. So NQ maybe taking out the low here, right here of this fractal range here. And then ES not taking that low, still respecting that singular busy, and then getting a reaction higher. Yeah, I'm expecting for the weekly candle to, yeah, for ES, like as we have now, we tapping into this gap and then slowly build structure. Then NQ by that time taking that low, have some sort of manipulation again, and then trade higher towards all-time highs. Like I still think this looks really clean, but also I really think that this looks really clean as well. So it can go both ways, 50-50. But looking at the weekly candle, I still am leaning more towards bullish prices. And then maybe in the end, maybe at like end of the week or next week, yeah, maybe end of the week, it sets us up for, okay, maybe yes, by the end of the week, we'll take all-time highs, and then NQ looks more bearish, and then we have an SMT at ES, and then maybe you want to drop even lower. Because I do think we do want to pick these lows eventually up as well, and then these exact same lows here, which would be, that would be these lows on ES. So this still has a long way to go on NQ, so that's why I don't think NQ will just drop through here right away and then go lower, like because ES is still in this gap and bear time frame would still technically be bullish. So that's why I'm not expecting for NQ to just drop crazy through here. So kind of what I'm expecting again is like for it to stay in this range, and then for us to eventually still go higher. But it is Monday today, so this is what I'm kind of looking for, like could react off optimal trade entry here somewhere. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for already for like the weekly candle, but it could change tomorrow. Like tomorrow, I could be bearish. Like if ES, let's say ES closes below here, and then NQ probably closes below something here as well, then I could be bearish. Like it could change after today, or it could change, yeah, it could change after today because that daily candle is then going to close. But for now, I'm still linked towards bullish prices. This is what I'm expecting. Can already come up with like different kind of scenarios, which could be, okay, let's say we do drop lower, let's say we drop through this entire range. I'm still looking for bullish price today. Monday only AM session trading because of the medium impact follower news that we have. But yeah, it could change after that. Like I don't care what happens after. Tomorrow I'll be back on the charts then and see what changed and what the bias is then. But for now, Monday, this is what I'm looking for. And yeah, weekly analysis, weekly review, weekly analysis. I still think the weekly is going to expand higher, so the weekly candle. So from now, Monday, before it actually happens, I do think it's going to go higher, but it could change. So it's kind of more, not really 50-50, but more 51-49, you could say. But yeah, it's kind of still not sure yet. It could go both ways, so I'm not sure about the weekly candle, what it's going to do. But if you gun to my face, gun to my what ICT says, then I'm more bullish than bearish for this weekly candle, or for just this week. So yeah, and then implementing that with the weekly or the economic calendar. So I already said Monday I'm going to be trading the AM session, and then Tuesday I'm not trading the PM session, because I've seen from data that for me the PM session is then just a choppy or rangy session. We don't really want to do much there. So Monday is only going to be the AM session trading for me. And then Tuesday looks like a good trading day. We'll be trading this entire day. Wednesday we have FOMC, so that is a major impactful news week for me. So FOMC statement, I see that as major impactful news. And Thursday looks like a good trading day as well. And then Friday as well, we'll be trading this entire day. And then this is all day news, but that's not euro, so that's not important for me. Yeah, looking at the power of three combined with the economic calendar. If I'm expecting a bullish week, like I'm not so sure. Like I always look for like a power of three inside of the economic calendar. Like what could I expect? Okay, Monday could well, I'm expecting for the Monday AM session to expand somewhere towards what is like the nearest drawn way, what is like obvious, like what do I think it's going to do. So I think Monday is going to expand lower into here, but my rules don't allow me to look for shorts, so I still have to look for longs, but maybe still the Monday is going to expand into sell side below here. And then I'm expecting the PM session to accumulate, not really do a lot. Looking where we are, that is going against what I'm saying, so I am looking for bullish prices. But I do think the Monday AM session is still going to go lower. Like that goes against each other. Still, that's the thing that I don't like. But yeah, from my point of view for this day, that does make sense. But yeah, we'll see what happens with Monday. Monday maybe it's going to be the entire day accumulation. Who knows? But looking at that then, okay, Monday accumulation. Tuesday we have high impactful news. Maybe Tuesday manipulation lower. Because I'm expecting for the weekly to go higher. So Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, and then Wednesday expansion with FOMC. Thursday expansion probably as well, or retracement, and then Friday expansion, I think, as well, because Friday looks like good trading day as well because of the news. So yeah, looking at that, or combined with the economic calendar, it can either be a classic expansion week, that's what I'm thinking, or a classic, either way, classic expansion week, but either bullish or bearish. So Monday is going to be accumulation then. Tuesday is going to be either the low or the high of the week. And then Wednesday is going to expand higher, Thursday expand higher, Friday expand higher, because Wednesday is going to be that FOMC statement. That's going to be the big push. That's going to probably tell where the weekly candle actually wants to go. So let's say FOMC pushes way higher, probably the weekly expansion is going to go higher towards the buy side. Like to me, that makes sense. And if it's going to go lower, FOMC, if it's going to go lower, then probably the weekly candle's probably going to go lower. Then that's what I'm thinking. Could be either Monday we don't really have any news, so maybe Monday's going to be the accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, or either a Wednesday manipulation, taking out the sell side on or buy side on Tuesday as well with FOMC like beforehand, and then having to push higher, like that power of 5 basically. So we have accumulation right here, and then in a bullish scenario, so then we have the manipulation, and that will be like before FOMC, and then this is FOMC, the expansion, and then we have retracement and then expansion again. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution, retracement, expansion. So basically power of 5 with that. So yeah, beforehand we could already have the manipulation. And then Thursday, Friday, I'm probably just thinking for it to be an expansion, and then either towards the buy side or the sell side. So this is the weekly range where we are in. If we do want to go lower and take this out, like I don't think this will be taken out on a Monday or Tuesday. I think either one of these is going to be a target for Wednesday already, and then Thursday and Friday is just going to continue that trend probably. But a lot of yapping again. I think I did repeat things a couple times, but yeah, that's going to be the weekly analysis for MNQ, ES, and I could still still I want to do like DXY. I still don't know why I'm doing DXY. I think I'm only doing DXY for the title because I don't want to change the title, because I think it looks weird if I like every week I I think it looks clean, like NQ, ES, DXY. And if I do NQ, ES, like it doesn't matter, like DXY, it's not really important. Like in the beginning to me, it was more important because it did move more in tandem, but now it just really doesn't move in tandem at all. Like bear time frame, not even close as well. So yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, I think that's the reason why I'm still doing it. But DXY, I'm just looking at this. I still think we're gonna expand higher. We did just take the buy stop here. But yeah, still what I said, I do think we're gonna just expand even higher. Like there's, I think, no reason to be looking for lower prices on DXY. Let's see. Okay, so we do have this gap here on this 3-day, which we just tapped. And in 9 hours, so after this daily candle, we're either going to close above or respect it. And if we respect it, then I still think we're going to go higher to buy set up here, probably something else in here. So probably this is a stage accumulation here on this daily high, or yeah, candle high. So probably on a 12 hour or something, or daily. Yeah, stage accumulation here, original consolidation. Yeah, if we close below, then probably this is going to be the target for sell side. And then probably I think that's just going to be a retracement, probably into like a gap, monthly gap here. And then still I'm expecting for a expansion higher. We do have lows here, but with this, like we are in a big range here. Like we could have to drop lower from here to here, but honestly, I don't think that's really realistic. Yeah, who knows? But I just think it's going to go, if it does close below, I think we're going to go in the gap, create some more structure here on like daily candles, and then from there expand higher towards the buy side. But yeah, we'll see on DXY. But yeah, the most important thing, NQ and ES, already did my analysis here now. And yeah, gonna be trading this week. So Monday, I'll be only trading AM session, and then all the other days, I'll be trading the entire day. Or FOMC, I'm trading after 2 p.m. So most of the time, I've already seen from data, FOMC, I will be trading after FOMC releases, and most of the time I'm like, when I did my analysis on Wednesday, I'm doing my analysis again, so it could change, but most of the time I'm right with the trail on liquidity. But FOMC is just so volatile, it just goes to the trail on liquidity so quick, no entry at all. And yeah, that's most of the time what happens. But yeah, after the FOMC releases, I'm trading, and Thursday I'm trading the entire day, and Friday as well. I do want to do some live sessions trading, or live trading sessions this week. Probably going to be, I don't know if I'm going to do it on Monday today, but I think I'm going to do it tomorrow on Tuesday, and we'll see. We'll be backtesting this entire week as well, of course, every day. And yeah, done with the yapping. Thank you for watching, and see you.